Welcome to our new video. In this video I will show you some more 5 or more than that CPA for promoting ways that can make legit money, you believe it or not. So our first option is classified ads. You will think is it will work because classified ad works, but you have to spend time on classified ads. Okay, you have to use more than 30 or 40 classified ad network for getting leads. Okay, because free is free and paid is paid. If you create a Google ads or Bing ads campaign, you can get leads or sales very easily. But the thing is paid and this is free, and free thing always takes time. Okay, free ways always takes time and always takes hard work. So there is a free website, freeclassifiedads.us.com. If I check on similar web, it's sorry, it have doesn't any statistics. So I am not suggesting this website because there is also many website. There is a list of webs classified ads networks. I will give this link on my description box. You can check the website and get the list. Okay, this is the list. So our second big way for promoting CP offers is tweetdeck.twitter.com. You can see this is twitter.com, but on the biggest there is tweetdeck. Okay, tweetdeck.twitter.com. This is more people use Twitter, but they doesn't know about the feature of Twitter, this tweetdeck feature. So the thing you have to do that you have to visit this website. Also you have to create an account on Twitter because before using this, and submit I need money. Okay, you have to search I need money. Then you can see there is many posts, people needs money, and you have to SMS them like there is the SMS option. On the SMS option you have to promote your gift card offer, like they want money, so I am providing you a simple PayPal gift card. Okay, and use the landing page of Google sites. Okay, they're simple and these things really works, you believe it or not. And our third way is Quora.com. So what basically is Quora? Quora is a free Q&A website. Q&A means question and answer website. Okay, people come to this website and the website is looking away. So they ask question and the people from this network, they answer them. I already have made a video about Quora and also make a video about TweetDeck. You can see the website ranking in USA is high and monthly visitor is more than 820. So you have to ask question answer of this question like uh, answers, write an answer. There is a question you can see. So you have to find um, like hosting. You have to find questions. Okay, questions. Now you can use this type of questions for ranking on Quora. Also, a good feature of Quora is that Quora questions actually ranked on Google, like how to create an account on Quora. Okay, so you can see there is a website. Okay, uh, the ranked question on Quora. It is the question I have asked on Google is related to Quora, so I will like Fiverr. Okay, so there is no result on Quora because I think this is not ranked on Quora, but uh, some questions you have to find, like there is a question, how can I create a new account? Okay, if people search this, okay, like control V, if people search this they will find this. Okay, they will definitely find this, the question, and you have to follow these types of questions. Okay, you have to find these types of question and answer of these questions. And how there is a question how you can get more followed questions for your marketing reasons. So I already have made a video about it, you can check the cards or on the description box I will give the link of that video. Okay, and there is also you have to use a Google site or landing page link. Okay, that's simple. So our next website is Fiverr. Okay, Fiverr, you can see this is a network for outsourcing, and people they can work here what they know about it. Like if you don't know about music and audio, you will find some people who experts in music and audio. And also if you know how to create a landing page, then you don't know that you can find those type of people at here, like digital marketing. If I click on digital marketing, there is some gig you will find, like this is some gigs. Okay, so how you will use this network for your marketing? So find digital marketing, this I want to find this type of gigs. Okay, so now what you have to do that you have to click on seller details. Okay, now seller lives in, here is the option seller lives in, click on United States, then apply. Now you can see there is many people from United States, those accounts are from United States. Now your question is Fiverr doesn't allow to share uh, any email of their clients, so how we can get the, how we will contact them? So you have to basically write a big message related to your CPA offer, then click on contact me, then they you will able to get send them a link and the letter what you have written, and you have to insert the link at the letter. Okay, then send them the letter, then they will click and you will get able to leads. Okay. Uh, okay, our next platform is social medias. So social media is a big part of getting leads and sales, and it really works. Okay, many people does free marketing. I always says that free marketing always takes time and paid marketing doesn't takes time, but we don't have to pay on free marketing, and on the paid marketing option we have to pay. So the thing is social medias are a good way for marketing, like but you have to use social media in a right way. Okay, so how you can do that? If I come on facebook.com, then write that like digital marketing. Okay, digital marketing. Now what we have to do that we have to join on groups. Okay, groups. So there is also a option that public groups and my groups and city related to like United States or New York, Florida. So now these websites are from New York, and the people from on this group are also from New York and United States. Okay, some people might be from another country, but it doesn't matter. So also another thing is people option. On the people option you will see these people, but we will also can target the geo targeting system of Facebook. So now you can see there is option city, so also New York, there is a specific, okay, New York, Florida. So now this persons, some of the person might be from another country, but the person are here uh, from United States. And you can also do one thing, that email marketing is also famous for CP marketing, and you have to add friend them and contact with them. Okay, simple. So you have to do the same thing on Twitter and Reddit. So I will make a detailed video about Reddit on my next videos, so wait for that. So there is an option in Twitter that they show the trends for you. Okay, like trending in Bangladesh. TikTok is now trending on Bangladesh. Okay, and doggy, digital assets, cryptocurrency, other many niches are available here. It also works like Facebook. I have searched digital. Okay, there is a spelling mistake. Okay, so there is also, you can see people's photos, videos, latest, some important things. But the thing is, we there is also, you can see the near you option and the anywhere options and advanced search are available here. Okay, so this is a big level thing, you will understand on next. Okay, follow my videos. The thing is, you should use TweetDeck for Twitter. You don't have to use twitter.com mostly, but you should use TweetDeck. Okay, so Reddit is also a social media, and it is also popular on USA and other countries. Okay, you can see people are posting about games and other things. So I will make a detailed video about Reddit on my next videos. So subscribe to my channel. And today's video is also important for CP marketers. And you can see the USA rank is 12. Okay, so you can understand how much traffic you can gain by Reddit. Also Facebook is you can see country, Facebook is rank on 3. Okay, hope you have liked the video, and if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. And if you want a detailed video about Reddit, then contact me on the comment box. I give every comment answer. Okay, thanks for watching our videos. And if you like the video, then subscribe to my channel and like the video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.